Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Mahadupatta killer Mahanand Naik confesses 2 more murders. Murder tally touches 14. Nirmala Amolkar and Bagu Sapkar new victims. Goa constitutes quick action team to fight terror. Home Minister says it will ensure safety and security. BJP corporators allege scam in security contract. Put Daya Karaparkar in the line of fire. It's a shame again for Goa. Santa Cruz resident arrested for raping 4-year-old minor girl. And Sushmita Vasta wins gold medal. Genevieve D'Costa clinches silver at ongoing aquatic nationals. Now the news in detail. The murder list of Mahadupatta killer Mahanand Naik has now touched 14. On Thursday, Mahanand confessed 2 more murders of Nirmala Amolkar from Rivan and Bagu Usapkar from Tamdi Sulla.
Mahanand Naik, the Dupatta killer, has confessed of murdering 2 more girls. Babu Upaskar hails from Tamdi Sulla. She was missing since 2007 and a complaint was registered with the KPM police in the same year. The other girl was Nirmala Amonkar, aged 32, from Rivna. She was found missing since 19 February 2008 and her body was found at Verna on 24th February in 2008. Now let's know how the Dupatta killer had relation with the girls.
After the latest confession of killing Bagu Upaskar from Tamdi Surla and Nirmala Amonkar from Rivan, Mahanand's serial killing epic has reached to 14 numbers. Dupatta killing episode by this cold-blooded criminal is being termed as the most heinous episode in the crime history of Goa. With every new revelation, whole state is surprised and shocked at the criminal's ruthless murder tactics. What Prudent Media correspondent have come across is more surprising and exclusive. This exclusive photo of Mahanand and his wife indicating closeness with Jotkar family of Davalli needs more scanning and investigation. Just have a close look at this man in a white shirt. He is Mahanand, just sitting by the side of a Jotkar family member. Just try to identify this woman. She is Pooja Naik, wife of Mahanand, sitting by the side of Dipali Jotkar's father. Dipali Jotkar was missing from May 2007 and just 2 days back, Mahanand owned the responsibility of her death. He admitted of killing Dipali in Faturpa in 2007. Pooja Naik, wife of Mahanand, had earlier stated that she is unfamiliar with any of the victims and strongly supported the innocence of her husband. She is also seen along with her husband in the photograph. This photographic evidence has certainly raised many eyebrows and Pooja's role have once again come under a scanner. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Terror is on the rise in the country. After Mumbai, Goa too can be the target of terror outfits. To safeguard people of Goa and to ensure security of the state, a quick action force team has been constituted on Thursday by the Home Department.
Home Minister Ravi Naik assured that the quick action force team would ensure safety and security to the people of Goa. DGP B.S. Percy, IGP K.D. Singh along with police officials and others were present for the inauguration of Quick Action Force team at Gazette Police Officers Institute at Altin.
फाल्यां खंय हॉटेलां येयले टेररिस्ट येयलो आनी टेररिस्ट येयला म्हणटरीच जेन्ना कॉल येयलो तांकां ते इमिडियटली ते सायटीचेर वयतले आनी ते जाग्याचेर ताबो घेतले जे आसा क्विक रिएक्शन जी टीम आसा आमची आनी सगळे कडेन आमकां गोंयांत जाय पडटली सावथाकय नॉर्थाकय ती केन्ना ट्युरिस्ट टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी केन्ना पावत म्हूण सांगूंक नजो पूण ताका लागून पयलींच आमी जे तेजे वेगळीच हे आतां केल्ली आसा की हांगा ट्रेन बीन केल्ले आसा ट्रेनींग दिता आनीकय आमकां जाय सावथाकय जाय पडटली कित्याक त्या जाग्यार लागीं आसल्यार बऱ्या पडटा इमिडियटली पळय सगळें वचपाक त्रास जाता म्हणून ताका आमी त्यो आसात त्यो हे ताका लागून केल्ली आसा.
Ravi Naik asserted that vehicle checking should be allowed only at fixed place at every check post to avoid confusion and traffic congestion. He said that vehicles should be thoroughly checked at the check post so that there is no need to check it once again when it enters the state.
चेक नागाचेर एकच कडेन तुम्ही चेक करचे एसपी आसा सर की जे व्हेकल भायर येता ट्रक येता एकच कडेन चेक करात व्हेकल चेक डॉक्युमेंट फॉर्म वॉटेवर फायन बायन सगळे एकच कडेन चड फोर्स ऑल चेक नाका घाल पोळे घाल मोले घाल जावं पेडणे घाल आनी खंय घाल आनी एका चेक कर मागीर तेंकां भितर तेंकां चेक ना एका जाग्यार तुका फोर्स सगळो घाल कंप्लीट थरो चेक कर मागीर मदीं तेंकां लोकांक पब्लीक जे भायले लोक येता आमकां दिसता की आमी गेले नंतर भायर तेंकां चेक करता हांगासर तेंकां तुमी चेक करपाक जाय थरोली चेक एका चेक नाका सामकें आनी तुमी प्रिंट करात आनी व्हेकल चेक गोवा पुलीस व्हेकल चेक आनी तें सगळें डॉक्युमेंट फॉर्म गावना चेक दिया फायन दिया.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamble.
Once again, a CCP corporator is in the controversy. This time it is for alleged security contract scam. Opposition corporators have alleged ruling corporator Dayanand Karapurkar of manipulating tender documents to obtain a security contract. Opposition has demanded immediate termination of the contract and registration of forgery case against him.
Opposition corporator Rupesh Halankar pointed out the fraud done by the corrupt corporator Dayanand Karapurkar. He also demanded immediate termination of contract and pressed for registration of forgery case against him.
तो जो बिल सबमिट करतालो ते 3 सेक्युरिटीचे आसताले आनी आमचे जे म्युनिसिपल इन्स्पेक्टर सर्टिफाय करता तेजेर 2 सेक्युरिटी म्हणून तेंच्यांनी तेंचे सायन्स आनी तेंचे हें आसताले त्यांचा रिमार्क हो 2 सेक्युरिटीज आसता तरी आसतना तेजी आपली स्वताची दादागिरी आनी ताकद वापरून ही सगळी बिलां एप्रूव करून हो सगळो पेमेंट घेवन वयतालो. आमचे डिमांड आसा की कॉर्पोरेशनान जाता तितले बेगीन नेवी सेक्युरिटी अपॉयंट करची आनी तेजी सेक्युरिटी आहा ती काडून उडोवन आनी जे आमचे फाटल्या 2 वर्सांक लॉस जाला पळय ते तेजे कडल्यान रिकवर करचे आनी सपोज जाता जाल्यार ही फॉर्जरीच्या अंडर तेजेर केसूय रजिस्टर करची.
Four-stand security consultant company belongs to corrupt corporator Dayanand Karapurkar. This company is being allotted contract to provide security personnel to guard new municipal market, ADS plant at EDC complex Pato and Karanjale garden. However, opposition corporators have pointed out the manipulation committed to obtain the contract.
कोटेशन्स मागून ती 3 जाणांची टोटल कोटेशन्स येयली तितून 2 जाणांची कोटेशन ओपन केली आनी तेंच्या रेटी प्रमाणे आपली रेट ठरयली आनी ती जे डिप्लॉय करपाचे सेक्युरिटीचे आसले ते आपल्या एजन्सीक करून घेतले तेणें आनी घेतना जी 2 कोटेशन्स येयली एक येयल्ले आपले ग्रुप 6 म्हणून तेजे आनी तेणेन आपलो रेट सांगलेलो आनी तशेंच सेक्युरिटी 12 वरां आसला अशें तेणें तेज्या कोटेशनाचेर हें केल्लें आसा 12 वरां म्हणून ती चेंज करून 8 वरां केली गेली. तशेंच आनी एक जी सेक्युरिटी आसली ती ब्लॅक कमांडोज म्हणून आसली तेंची आनी तेंच्याय कोटेशनाचेर तेणें 12 वरां आसली ते 8 वरां अशें मॅनिपुलेशन केलें.
Opposition corporator Rupesh Halankar threatened to file criminal complaint against corrupt corporator if their demands are not fulfilled.
फुडें बी आमी डिसायड करून म्हाका दिसता आमी स्वता पुलीस कंप्लेंट करतले नाल्यार ते झप करून ते एक्शन कांय घेयना जाल्यार.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
We are heading for a short break. After the break, watch our special series Mission Admission and Gabriel Rego arrested for raping a minor girl at Santa Cruz. Stay tuned.